So the silver saga continues. I've been talking about this for weeks, trying to share my information, which is obviously extensive, and experience with you as to what's going on. If you're trading silver and you care about silver, or even if you're just watching it with interest, here is what's actually going on. Now, the adults in the room, so to speak, have had not too much to say about it, but one of the best commodity analyst teams in the world is Goldman. And let me just share with you what they're saying. Now, I have dealt with thousands of comments in the TikTok universe with people who I would imagine are in their early 20s and who haven't ever had any professional experience whatsoever, telling me it's going to 300 and let's ramp this baby. But let's just deal with reality and what's actually going on. There's a few different aspects. We all know what silver is being used for in the industrial world. All of these next generation technologies, which are part of the industrial revolution we're going through right now, which include electronics, electronic vehicles, we all know what they are, okay? That is part of the equation. It's not a very big part of the equation, I might add. The big part of this equation is a short-term issue with where the silver is being stored. The Americans loaded up on silver and have a huge amount in their vaults over in the US to try and protect against the potential tariffs that were going to come in. And the London Metal Exchange, which is the central metal exchange in the world, is short of silver. Throw on top of that the fact that the Chinese put in place a very timely silver export ban, and you have a short-term but very quite chronic supply shortage, which will fix itself one way or another. There's going to be wild swings in silver. Those of you who think silver's just going to keep going up need to really have a think about what I'm saying to you. There is not a lack of silver in the world. It's about where the silver is and how long it's going to take to get it to where it needs to go. In the short term, this is the situation we're facing. So we can throw on top of that the fact that from between now, which is obviously 8th, I've been flagging this for days, and the 14th, we have the Bloomberg Commodity Index rebalance. So there's $3.8 billion worth of futures, silver futures in total to be sold. So over the next 2 weeks, I would imagine there's going to be some significant volatility, up and down. But just keep in mind what I'm saying to you, and there'll be more to come. But let's focus on the facts rather than the emotions and what we want to happen.